Let's assemble our premium cart. All carts come with stainless steel hex head hardware and an Allen wrench. You can also use an Allen head driver as well as a Phillips head. Begin by laying 2 of the legs down on a protective surface and then add the base until you see the rivet on the inside. Hand tighten to begin and then use your tool to do the last tightening bit. Repeat these steps with the other 2 legs. Once all legs are attached, you then add your top, once again by hand, then with a tool. And then as you look at it and turned upside down, one side of your top will have 2 open holes. That's where the swivel wheels are attached. The other side has 2 riveted nuts, and this is where your fixed wheels will attach. You can use an adjustable wrench if you want, but using the provided hardware, you're going to use the stainless steel bolt and locking nut. Place the bolt in, use the nut with the teeth facing up, and hand tighten. Once attached, flip the cart over and you can see that the base actually has 2 holes for your propane tank holder. Those can be attached also with the same hardware. Attach the accessory holder on the side of the top that has the threaded nut, and your handle goes through the open hole from the inside. The front privacy shield locks in place easily on all the carts. Unlike the solid top Maestro 60, the Volta tops are pre-perforated for both the propane hose and the slits at the front of your oven. These carts are easy to assemble, they have a 25-year warranty against corrosion, and they make moving your oven that much simpler. Upgrade the portability of your new Volta or Maestro 60 with our new cart.